Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? So in today's video, I want to show you what Sean and I found on Amazon for an outdoor cooking option. This is like a little bonfire type thing. This is a little fire pit. Okay, this was $23.99 on Amazon. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description box below if you'd like to purchase one. It was only $23.99, like I said. Okay, so I found this very interesting. So this little compartment you bring down, and this is where you would put your wood. Okay, and this is supposed to be smokeless. I just got it in the mail today, so I don't know if it is smokeless or not. So you leave this down, okay, and you could put. I have a little wrought iron pan, so I'll just put that on top, just like that, okay. So I found this to be very, very interesting. I really like it. And I guess you could just either leave it on the ground, make sure there's sand underneath, but there's also this little plate right here, or put it, over a rock or something like that. Like, I don't know, like if you have like a table that's made out of like stone or concrete or whatever, I'm sure it would be fine on top of that, but no like kind of like patio furniture or glass or anything. But I thought this was really, really interesting, and for only $23.99, this would be perfect for like if you're bugging out, especially because it folds up and it comes in this little carrying case. It's a little zipper carrying case, and it really does just fold up. Sorry, didn't mean to move the camera like that. And the little grill in here just pops up. And it just folds down like that. And then you just, oh, darn it, I did it again. And put this in the carrying case just like that. So how interesting is that? You could keep this in your car or in your bug out bag or whatever, but we'll be using it here because, like I said in previous videos, we have no intention on bugging out. But if we had to, we do have a bug out location. But I thought this was a very interesting buy and a very interesting find for only $23.99. The second thing that I found is a manual can opener, because I don't have a manual can opener, but now I do. I believe this was only $10, I believe. But I'll leave the link in the description box below for this too. And the reason why I got this one is because it comes with extra blades. How many times do you see that? This is the first time I've ever seen this. So it's kind of worth it for the $10 that I paid for it. It's been so long since I bought a manual can opener. I don't know. This might be a common thing. I don't know. But I wanted to share this one with you too. So I'll leave the links in the description box below for both of these items. So, all right, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.